Are you a CEO looking for practical ways to integrate AI into your business strategy? This course is here to guide you. It focuses on what matters most to top executives, speeding up product development, boosting marketing impact, personalizing customer interactions, and sharpening workforce efficiency. From brainstorming concepts with ChatGPT to visualizing new product ideas through DALL-E, you'll see how AI can unlock fresh possibilities fast. We'll show real examples of how to cut development time, improve decision-making, and streamline daily tasks. You won't need a technical background, just a willingness to discover straightforward methods that have a real business impact. You'll learn how to set clear goals for your AI initiatives, use data-driven tools to spot new opportunities, and scale proven ideas across departments. Each lecture highlights simple ways to adopt AI so you can focus on leading the charge rather than getting bogged down in details. Ready to see what generative AI can do for your organization? Enroll now and take the first step toward a future where AI fuels smarter growth and sets you apart in a competitive market. Let's put AI to work for you.